right, we've got a beautiful boat on display for you today. It's a 2013 Moomba LSV. It's equipped with an Indmar 350 5.7 liter. It's got 290 hours. This boat shows super well. Let's get into it and have a look. All right, this package is equipped with a Boatmate paint over gal trailer. Comes with spare wheel, alloy wheels all the way around. Trailer shows well. It does have some stone chips and very little corrosion. The gel coat on the boat is in phenomenal condition. Beautiful sheen, no oxidization, no major scuffs or scratches. Everything shows to be in good condition. Same with the swim platform and transom. Everything's really nice and tidy, no major blemishes. Moving on down, you've got your trim plate, dual exhaust, and your underwater running gear. Everything's showing in perfect condition. Sun deck shows quite well. There is the odd little stain and blemish. All in all, shows quite well. There is a hint of yellowing on the upholstery. Inside the cockpit, again, no major tears, scratches, no stitching, stretching, or pulls in the stitching. Everything shows to be in good condition. Carpet's nice and tidy. Captain's chair's in beautiful shape. This boat is equipped with ballast trim plate and cruise control. So all the essential functions you need for a great day out on the water. Then you've got your trim plate gauge, tack, oil pressure, volt, temp, fuel, speedo, and then in the center you get your cruise control and your engine diagnostics. Rocker switches on the right. Sony sound system. Cup holders a little bit everywhere throughout the boat. Moving on up. In the bow, everything shows really nicely. No major blemishes, just slight discoloration on the gray. But all in all, nice and tidy. Moving on back to the muscle. It is an Indmar 5.7 liter, 350 block. Everything looks nice and tidy, very little corrosion. Boat shows really well for 2013. So this beautiful 2013 Moomba LSV is a great all-rounder, ideal for water skiing, wakeboarding, and surfing. It is a great compromise for all the above events. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, Patrick at 0427 162 749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.